Good day, everyone. Today I brought a new video on how to earn money through CPA LEAD with another great job. Watch the video and leave a like and a comment. Join to see all the videos I bring. I only give videos with the best evidence. Before going to the video, I will prove that this work is successful. See how I have earned money by doing the work, as I will tell you today. You can also earn money easily in this way. Today I will show you how we can get a lot of income from this website and how we can get some jobs abroad. So we can get this from the link I have given below. I will show you how we can get a great job with this app. Watch the first video I posted about CPA LEAD. This is the second video. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like and a comment. So let's go to the video. First of all, get this app and open it. After installation, the first thing you need to do is to set it up, as I said. Those who are going to do a job in America should definitely choose America and select the city I mentioned, because all these cities cannot do this. Select this for Dallas, Bend, New Jersey, California. After that, check your IP address with Google. Check there if your ISP is one of the ones I mentioned: CPAGRIP Inc., mgnhost.ru, Greenfloyd, Blue VPSOU, Mivocloud SRL, Shark Industries Solutions Ltd. Something like this will definitely happen if you do as I said. Now you do the work as I do. You go to the CPA LEAD site and get an offer link. Open it and do the task in this way. Your earning will come to the balance. So that way you can do jobs in these countries. Now open any job here and do as instructed. Some are blocked and some can be completed unlimited and earn money. I am now showing whether this is successful or unsuccessful. If there is a problem, comment me. I am ready to help everyone. So I open these two tasks and show them. If you try to do this task as usual, you cannot open it. But those who do this way can work without any problem. Look, in this task, the app has to be downloaded. When I go to it, I can complete it without any problem. That way they can earn money from this. Be sure to connect only the countries I mentioned in the video. Also see if I have told the ISP. Now see, I have earned money by completing the USA task in this way. So now I can withdraw a little bit more. I showed you in the video that I have earned more than $50 in this way. A special video about this was also given in the first video. Now here is where I show the money I earned in this way, as well as the countries I used to earn this money and the income I got from those countries. Everyone can do this. Many people are not told to do it. You should learn these things until you can do them properly. After that, you can go to the place where the offer is shown on the site and choose the one you like and earn money from it. I will bring you a special video in the next video. Don't forget to write a comment about this video. Comment which country are you watching this video from. So on this site, I have provided 2 valuable videos quickly. You can earn as much money as you want, and you can earn money by making offers on this site. I showed you all my evidence. So start working and earning big income. Don't forget to share this video. I will bring another new verse in a new video. Good luck to everyone. Have a nice day.